students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 5.8. So this is your question number 1. You have to examine whether the following figures are polygon or not. Okay, so here I will tell about the polygon. What is the polygon? Polygon is made up of line segments and it should be a closed figure. So remember that about the definition of polygon. Then you have to see these figures, it will be possible or not. Okay, it is satisfy or not. So here you can see this is an open figure. Okay, not closed figure. So not polygon because open figure, right? Number 2 is, you can see this is closed figure and made up of line segments. So this is a yes polygon made up of 1 2 3 4 5 6 line segments, that is hexagon. Okay, 6 line segments and closed figure. Okay, number 3 is one circle is given. So here you can see that it is closed figure but it is not made up of line segments. Okay, so this is not polygon because no line segments are there. Okay, here you can see this is cone. Okay, 2 line segment is there but 1 curve is there. Okay, therefore no line segments, not polygon. Not polygon because 1 curve is there. Polygon should be made up of line segments. Okay, so that is about your question number 1. Okay students, let's see question number 2. You have to name each polygon. These are the polygons made up of line segment and closed figure, you can see. Okay, and make 2 examples of each. Like that you have this is a 4 sides of quadrilateral. Okay, this is quadrilateral. So 2 examples I can take. One parallelogram, this is also quadrilateral, one square. Okay, these are 2 quadrilaterals. Okay, here it is by 3 sides means 1 2 3 made up of 3 line segments means triangle. Okay, and I can draw here equilateral triangle or obtuse angle. You can take any angle. I had told you based on sides and angles. Okay, types of triangles I had told you. So like that you have to. These are the 2 examples. Okay, here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, that is pentagon. 5 sides means pentagon. Okay, so pentagon you can like this, you can take 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is A and this is B. Like that you have to. Here it is written 2 examples, therefore I am giving 2 examples each. You can take any example. Okay, here you can see D part 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 8 sides means octagon. So like this I can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Like this you can take any examples. Okay, here I will one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, this is about your question number 2. Okay students, let's see question number 3. By step we will sketch the figure. Okay, here draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Here it is written hexagon means 6 line segments should be there. Okay, so here I will draw the 6 line segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal and all angles should be same measure, should have the same measure, that is the regular. Okay, connecting any 3 of its vertices. So here 1, 2, 3 vertices I will connect like this. Okay, so this is so here you can see that this angle these sides are equal. Okay, so that is an isosceles triangle. So that is about the question number 3. Excuse me. Okay students, let's see question number 4. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so here you have to draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, like this you have to join. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this you have to join. So this is the rectangle. Okay, means 4 vertices you have to, but this is not the rectangle, this is a trapezium. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 4. This is your last question of 5.8, that is question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon and is not a side of the polygon. So you have to draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonal. Here it is written the definition of the diagonal, that it is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon. Okay, so here it is the solution. You have to first draw this pentagon like this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have to join the vertices, 2 vertices to draw the polygon. To draw the diagonals. This 2 vertices, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, now from here like this you have to join, like this you have to join. Okay, so these are the diagonals A, B, E. Like this you will name, and you have to join the 2 vertices, whatever vertices are there, that are the diagonals. Okay, so that is all about the exercise 5.8. So I hope you understand up till here. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.